Hey there, financial enthusiasts. Are you ready to take your family's financial future into your own hands? Today, I've got something special for you. We're diving into how you can start your very own family bank. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on our top tips for financial empowerment. The power of generational wealth. Imagine a future where your family's financial legacy is secure, where every generation benefits from the wealth you've built together. That's the power of a family bank. Gather your tribe, getting everyone on board. Lay the foundation, choosing the right legal structure. Set the rules, establishing policies and procedures. Seed your bank, making initial contributions. Grow your wealth, developing an investment strategy monitor. And adjust, tracking performance and making changes. Educate and empower, building financial literacy. Facilitate family ventures, offering loans and investments. Celebrate success, reaping the rewards of financial freedom. And there you have it, folks. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a legacy of financial prosperity for your family. So what are you waiting for? Start your own family bank today and watch your wealth grow for generations to come.